So mechanical ventilation systems with heat recovery. Let me show you how these work. Heat recovery units or energy recovery systems are used to recover energy from the relatively warm or cool exhaust air, depending on the heating season, in exchange for the warm or cool outside air, depending on the season. All right, so let's go through and say you were bringing in fresh outside air on a summer day, 95 degrees, 78 wet bulb, and your exhaust air is, let's say, 72 degrees and 50% relative humidity. What will happen in the heat exchanger, and there's different types. This one's called a core heat exchanger, which is fixed, some type of silica gel or other desiccant product. What happens here is you exchange energy, not only sensible, but also latent heat, which is humidity. So the outside air coming in on 95, 78 will exchange the energy, sensible and latent, heat and humidity, with the relatively cool and dry exhaust air, and it will knock down the temperature and humidity of the air that is now going to go to your HVAC system. And you can see the air leaving the building is picking up heat and humidity as it goes outside. Now we could reverse that and do that in the heating mode. Actually, this diagram is probably more apt to the heating mode because it's showing the air getting hotter this way. So let's say it was 30 degrees outside and inside it's 68 degrees. It's going to exchange energy in the core, and it's going to heat that 30 degrees up to a higher temperature. And now that's going to go to your heating system, and that's going to save you energy. So the point here is to save energy when you're ventilating a home or a commercial space.